this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a silver 2017 Ford Expedition XLT, stock number A7424. Starting up front, you have heavy-duty tow hooks and factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tire. You've got running boards along the sides. Inside, there is a black cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row. Coming back to the second row, you have seating for 3 back here. On the back of the center console, you've got rear audio and rear climate controls. And then looking to the third row, you have seating for 3. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a trailer hitch in the back. You've got backup sensors as well as a backup camera. You do have an EcoBoost decal here. Inside of the trunk, you can see is very clean. Both the third row and the second row seating do fold down, so that'll give you tons of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have your usual power amenities. There are some power lumbar adjustments here. You do have a power adjustable pedal button. And stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel here, you have cruise control buttons. To the right, you have audio controls. Coming over a little bit further, there is a 4x4 turn dial control. On the driver's side visor, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then coming down to the center, this is where your backup camera will display. You do have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You've also got capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 20 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Expedition or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.